So, Ian, what are you doing?
I'm feeding the monkeys. I'm feeding my friends.
Yeah, your family?
I'm feeding my family, young fellas.
Yo, what's
up? All right, so today is very sunny, bright day, and
It is
we are
quite
going
hot.
to North Bali.
Yes, we are on the way to North Bali and we decided to stop in Munduk. And actually, this is the Munduk area. This is the kind of the attraction.
The beautiful tumbling and lake.
With the attractions like swings, like pictures places like this one. Unfortunately, all of them currently are closed due to the current situation.
Yeah, because you know, a long time ago when there were lots of tourists coming to Bali, and this area, Wanagiri Munduk area, is famous for the
swings and stuff like this.
Spot, you see behind me like this. You know, like they are facing with a beautiful lake. This one.
Like this one. And this is quite new stuff actually. They start building this in 2017-18 and unfortunately now it's just closed again. I will show you around how it looks the situation.
Yes, that's they just opened just because of the social media. You know, the power of social media is just like that.
So this is the beautiful lake. And like this one, it's used to be a Instagrammable place. Actually, I don't know even what's the name, but yeah, that's how it looks. Yeah, just people now parking and chilling. This is like a rest area right now.
Yeah, so Munduk area is also famous for this kind of hydrangea flowers. So everywhere we see in this Munduk, this one.
Very nice flowers, by the way. Check this out. Yeah, on the truck, on the farmer, but it's okay, always good to make a video. And that was the checkpoint, like ticket office, something like that. Yes, honey?
Yeah.
And over there, as you can see, some people chilling around. That's how it looks.
And
in
this
Munduk.
area is also rest area for people who wants to eat bakso or whatever that, you know, they just want to chill and facing with the lake, as you see.
Very nice. And also, you can buy some food and hear the loud bikes also. So everything is in one place. doing?
I'm feeding the monkeys. I'm feeding my friends.
Yeah, your family.
I'm feeding my family, young fellas. This is the peanut.
Give me some.
I'm feeding my fellas. Hola, brother and sisters.
Very nice. The big one. The small one, take it. Woo. That's all? You use 1 kilo of peanut already? And they eat already in 30 seconds? Very nice. Very nice. Oh, this is better than peanut, I think.
Come, this is rambutan. Look how they eat rambutan. Their favorite food. Come, bro. Oh, nice. Oh, look at baby.
Where?
There, look at the little monkeys, baby.
Very nice. What's happened?
Bro. Whoa.
What did you do?
You took all lah. You share lah, bro.
You share with your family lah.
Oh, look at him. Share lah, bro. Wow. Share lah.
Very nice. Okay, very nice. Let's go next. Just pay to the Bapa. Thank you. Let's go next. Alright, so we are hungry after driving so far, and after feeding monkeys even more hungry. So it's time for having lunch, and this is the one of the place I never been here. I don't even know what's the name.
I saw in Instagram.
When you found
Nowadays
this on
it's become
Instagram.
hits, you know, in Munduk. So this is called Ngiring Wedang. Ngiring
show you
Wedang.
around
It means
for
like let's have a coffee in Balinese. So
Oh,
I bet
I
that
like
they have a
it.
very nice coffee shop here also. And yeah, let's see how it is inside the restaurant because the man is already hungry. So let's go.
Check this out. That's the name if somebody interested. Even some cars are here. Actually, so not so bad. And they have a beautiful gate. You will see. Oh, nice bike. Travelers mostly. Like this.
Oh, very nice, very nice.
Better just walk from the first impression, always the best. Actually very nice over here. Washing hand. I think here is the coffee shop and here is the restaurant. As you can see, it's cloudy. Here is the Ganesh and there is some nice statue. We'll see. Alright, so this is our coffee. Pisang goreng. Sayang.
All right, so because you know the ambience here in Munduk is you know cold, the weather is so cold, so it's very nice if you come here ordering coffee and pisang goreng.
Check this out, the
Check this
cloud.
out, the cloud already.
Over there is the nice and the cloud and the road. Like in the Munduk, always like that. So soon will be the
Always
cloud.
like this, you know, every single day will be the cloud. This is just like the village above the cloud.
So nice. Enjoy your coffee.
Cheers.
Cheers, honey.
So this is how you eat the pisang goreng. Put the gula aren, the brown sugar on the top, like this. So good. Using your hand.
So nice. Finally, coffee time. Very nice. With the beautiful view, by the way. So I will show you how it looks, the area over here. Check this out, beautiful landscapes. There is always cloudy or not cloudy. Now is the moment where it's sunny, so I want to show you. Beautiful statue over here. Check this out. And quickly I'm gonna show you how it looks, the restaurant around. As you can see, it's very nice. New place on the middle of the Munduk area. They have even very nice the bar section. Hello. Very nice coffee. How are you?
Thank you.
Uh, let's go. Very nice coffee, just what I was talking about. Very nice. Thank you. There's actually some people around. Very nice place, have to say. Also the garden. There is the road, and this is like on the hill, you know. Here is a coffee shop. Also, I would like to show you. They have a nice coffee, so they really nice to show. Very nice, interesting style. Nice, nice, nice. Very nice. And also, I will show you from the different perspective. This is the special room, I think the air conditioner room, as you can see, with the beautiful view over here. Beautiful lady cleaning. And check this out, the view over there, so nice. And the road, people driving around the temple. It's like 270-degree view from this place. Jungle overlooking the Munduk area mountains, and like this. Very nice indeed. As you can see, quite a lot of people coming here all the time, which is very nice. And Sayang here enjoying her coffee. How are you, Sayang?
Oh, so good.
Very nice.
Very nice coffee with the view of Munduk.
Oh, my pizza arrived. Beautiful.
Oh, kira-kira udah 5 tahunan. So I just asked how long this restaurant, just 5 years.
But after renovation. Thank you. Smacznego. So I'm just eating my pizza and actually finished. The can is like this because it's windy over here. Check this out. And just 5 minutes ago I walked, there was beautiful, now it's cloud inside the building. Super cool. Check this out. It's like it's like a winter, you are just inside the cloud. So cool. Check this out now.
The cloud.
Wow. This is Munduk area, only in Munduk like this. You see, it's like a smoke inside the restaurant, but this is like a fog. Nice. And check this out, this is the road, and check, it's like, wow. The weather is changing so fast here. And you cannot see anything. Okay, so we after coffee and the lovely pizza, very nice coffee by the way. I really recommend it. It's not paid endorsement, but it's really nice place. Especially check this out. The cloud is coming into Askadi.
Yeah, so the price is also affordable, and then the food, especially pisang goreng.
Pisang goreng very nice, coffee very nice.
With the coffee.
Even pizza very nice.
Yeah. So yeah, I think that's all our video today from Munduk area.
We are on the way to Lovina, so stay tuned because tomorrow will be super cool video from Lovina. I hope so. It will be super. All our videos are super cool, I think.
Alright, I think that's all our video today, guys. Thank you for watching. And then the cloud already behind us, and maybe it's gonna rain soon. As you know that Munduk is a village above the cloud.
Yes.
Alright, I think that's all our video. Thank you for watching, and see you
tomorrow. See you.
Bye.
Take care. Also, this one is very nice. Check this out. Garuda Vishnu. Ooh, very nice.